welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glambykiki. Welcome if you are new. Hello, hi. And today's video is the updated brow tutorial that I have been meaning to put up for a while. Yesterday I was looking at all my videos and I'm like, there's something missing, and it's literally my brow tutorial. It's been a year since I updated my brow tutorial, so I figured why not during quarantine put up a updated brow tutorial. So today that is what I'm giving you. So if you want to know how I created these brows and what I used, which everything I will be using will be in the description bar down below, so make sure you check that out before exiting this video. Before even starting this video, I'm gonna have you click that link to join the Glam fam. Press that notification bell, because if you're watching for a reason. Leave a comment down below because it definitely helps me out. It lets me know that you guys are liking the content that I'm putting out for you guys, as well as leaving a thumbs up. Definitely helps me super duper much. So if you guys love me and my content, make sure you do all those 3 things so I am notified that you like what I'm doing and I can put out more for you. So let's get straight into this video. I'm giving you guys an updated brow tutorial because I have changed my way of doing my brows throughout the past year. So a year ago exact, I made a brow tutorial and it's totally not the way I do my brows now. So I just felt like I should definitely sit down, get comfy, get cozy with you guys, and do an updated brow routine because why not? My brows are totally different, guys. They have grown in tremendously during quarantine, and also I've been taking care of my brows, which is not like, you know, over tweezing them and like doing them correctly and letting them grow out. Letting them grow out, guys, major key. So without further ado, let me get right into this because I'm looking very weird with a full face without brows. So let's get into this brow formation. What I usually use is literally only 2 products, guys. Before I used to use like 4 different products. I totally use 2 products now, and it's a brow pomade from Morphe, which is absolutely amazing. Super inexpensive, but does the job immaculate. So I use the shade Java, and it looks like a little something like this. It's a pomade. I like to go in first with their translucent brow gel, which is absolutely amazing. Truly a staple in my makeup routine. So I literally just brush up and out. And then I like to like brush them at the tail and then brush them up right here like that. Nothing exaggerated, nothing too much, just brush up and out. And then after this, I like to let them dry at least for a minute or 2. So I have a fan that definitely makes the process so much quicker and easier, of course. So I love this fan. Like, it's absolutely amazing. Letting your brows dry down completely when you put a brow gel is very important when you're using cream products and also pencil. It definitely helps out with keeping your brows literally in place, as well as letting them dry down into the shape that you will be creating for your brows. So it definitely is a major must. So definitely let them dry. If you're impatient, just do something. Go on your phone and fan them out or whatever, but literally let them dry until you feel that they have like that little texture of like stiffness, and then you can go in with your other brow product. So now that my brows are dried, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M158 brush, which is the perfect angle brush to use if you like using cream. It's very thin and tapered. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of my Java brow cream and start sketching out my brows. I start underlining first, and I do that to the whole entire brow before filling in at all. Just like this. And just like this, I create my brow shape that I love, and then I go ahead and fill in right after. But let me go ahead and sketch out this eyebrow as well, and then we can go into filling. Alright, so now that you are done sketching out your brows, you're gonna want to start filling in. And my way of filling in is starting out from the tails of your brow and filling in gradually towards the front. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. You want to dip back in very little, and I literally start out from the tail using light strokes. And once I start getting towards the front, I'm using a very, very light hand. And I'm flipping my brush and doing hair-like strokes going up, so it could look the most natural. And just like that, voila, you have my updated brow. Voila, you have Kiki's updated brow tutorial. Guys, I literally, this is all I ever do for my brows now. Like, super simple, super easy. Anyone can literally do this. I stopped using any concealer under the brow because I am using cream, so it does give my brow already a bold, defined look. So I don't want to add on any extra concealer or foundation underneath the brows because my brows are literally bold already, so they don't need anything else for me. So I am gonna go in with the Master Chrome highlighter that I do use on my complexion right underneath the brows, literally right underneath, just like that. And look how beautiful and natural your brows look, but still defined without being too much or too little. So this is the way I do my brows. If you like the way that I did my brows and you want to use it, go ahead, use it. You can even tweak it to your liking. Go ahead, put your own twist on it. Let me know how it goes. Tell me if you used this technique or tried out this type of brow style in the comments down below. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to join the Glam Fam. Guys, it helps me out super much, and it lets me know that you guys like the content I am putting out for you guys. So don't forget to do that and press that notification bell. It definitely lets you know when I am uploading. So Mondays and Wednesdays will be the new YouTube schedule upload for me, so make sure you are subscribed and you guys are pressing that notification bell so you guys are notified when I start uploading now every Wednesday and Mondays. And yes, leave comments down below of any suggestions of videos that you guys want to see me do.